morning everyone. Today I am in Koh Panghan for the day. I took a ferry this morning from Koh Samui to Koh Panghan. The ferry is 200 baht, which is the slow ferry. It takes about 50 minutes to an hour to get to Koh Panghan, and I'm gonna return later on today. So because I'm only here for a few hours, I want to explore as much as I can, so I rented a scooter. Side note to know, if you want to rent a scooter in Koh Panghan, it looks like they are a little bit more strict. So when you give your passport, make sure you have your stamp as well in your passport. If you are a traveler like me who has two passports, I gave my passport without the stamp and they require the stamp with that. Thankfully, I was able to find a place where they just took my passport and don't require for a stamp. But just be aware that if you have two passports, they will require the stamp with your passport. Or if you don't have that, they require 5,000 or 10,000 baht, depending on the place. So make sure to be aware when to rent a scooter in Koh Panghan. In Malibu Beach, which is located north of Koh Panghan. So I'm gonna chill here for, I would say, maybe 20 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna head to a different place. So let me show you what this beach is. As what I can see here, clear water, the sand is really fine, and that seems really like a good beach to chill. Can start to see the sandbar here at this location. So I just crossed from here. This is Koh Panghan, and this is the other small island. here is because tonight it is the full moon party. I didn't plan my trip to Koh Samui around the full moon party. I actually had no idea that it would be at the same time. So the beach is pretty empty, but later on tonight, this beach is going to be packed. Also, I want to point out the reality of these parties. There we go. Trash everywhere.